gonna come in now. Don't come to me. I've had a break, so that's why I want to fucking. What was that? Not bad. There you go.
I've been nearly killed once this morning.
How did you got the other night?
Arsehole going about 70 down your carriageway there.
On here?
Yeah. In a fucking Astra of all things.
I
What do you
went
fancy
out-
then, son?
I went out last week and late at night and some to return left. They cut me up. Good to have this footage on. Report to the police.
Good. Did you get the reg?
Yep.
Even
There's
better.
a bell.
Even better. Where are we going then, mate?
There we want.
If you go down towards Lynn, we can come back up through Warburton, but it's a bit earlier, that's all. I'm more bothered about your lungs.
Because I don't start riding too fast at the start, I'm
Well,
alright.
it's only fucking you does that.
It always seems when I'm riding too fast to start off. If I ride
Go slow,
normal,
you dickhead.
I know.
It's not fucking hard, is it? Should we try that?
Yeah.
So I go up through Warburton, up through Glazebrook, it is a drag, across Culture and back down near Working in.
Do you pay for the bridge?
No.
No, alright. Just say because I got no money.
Yorkshireman, son, do you want
I
one?
know.
Well, not really.
I don't pay for nothing.
Fucking try not to if I can. Especially with 3 girls. No fucking chance.
Oh, God.
Aye, mate.
No way, I want to run you over.
No, some dickhead tried it this morning though.
I know, where was I? I think it was somewhere, and there was a guy pulled out on a cyclist, and then a bit further up he pulled out on a motorbike and took him out. And they're putting these signs up for look out for cyclists and bikes and stuff like that.
Well, on a Queen's do a carriageway just then, somebody came down in an Astra at about 70. Tried to get as close as they could to me, you could feel the draft come off a car.
That's why I have a camera on me.
I've got cameras, I've got one under number plate there, and I can see how far you were away from me, just under number plate, and I've got one in window.
It's not worth it anymore, is it?
That's when he cut me up last week, late at night.
And the camera looks down to the bonnet at the front of the talking. Because I've got blind spots being because there's no windows in it. And the other day, I bought this camera a couple of days ago. Because the other day there was a kid lying in front of the fucking van at home.
Fucking hell.
So I bought the camera so I could see down.
It's handy to have.
Why don't you lay in front of the van?
I hate having idiots try and take me out all the time.
Just try getting as close as he could to me, that's all. He obviously liked me top.
He likes it. Oh, there we go. Foot the lights.
if we don't go single down here, mate.
And I was hating about my dual carriage race. So Greg?
What have you been up to then?
Nothing really, just did
Work,
nothing.
sleep,
Yeah.
work, sleep. I've had a lazy week. I did a 40-hour week for the first time ever.
I wanted to get out in the week and the bike, but didn't find the time to get out.
Hey, we're,
And I took the dog for a walk this morning, the frigging dog got attacked by another dog as well to lead.
oh, lovely.
I had to lift my dog up here, and it's still got its back leg. I said to the owner, I said, that dog needs to be put on a lead. He went, rah, 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 rah.
It's a big round twats, isn't there?
I said, yours attacked mine. Mine was on a lead, yours ran towards me.
You need a GoPro on your dog now.
I'm going to try and get a mount for like a shoulder one. Sandy's hard though, Greg, because you never know when you need it.
Wrong, isn't it? So you have to go to something like that.
Yeah. It's unsafe nowadays for anything. Well, first you want to get to me, white van man.
long way back last time than going.
I know, yeah.
You don't realise it. You don't seem that hilly going out. But when you come back and you just cruise
I know. Well, all the way to Knutsford for like, well, for some way it's all uphill all the way. Look at the chart when you're riding on the data from this. It's all like up and down like that.
Just don't feel it.
I know you can
There are
feel
a few bits where you think, oh, okay.